Ever wondered what ancient cities actually sounded like? Archaeologists are now decoding forgotten soundscapes, from Babylon's crowded markets to the echoing chants inside Egyptian temples. Using stone acoustics, ancient writings, and newly found instruments, researchers are recreating the hidden symphonies of lost civilizations. Imagine the metallic rhythm of Roman craftsmen, the distant horns of Mesopotamia. Some structures even acted like ancient sound amplifiers designed to carry voices across massive courtyards, and no one noticed until now. Each discovery reveals a city not frozen in time, but alive, noisy, vibrant. And every sound brings history one step closer to being heard again. But here's the mystery. Many recorded reconstructions match unknown tones found on centuries-old artifacts, almost like someone wanted these sounds preserved for the future.